You want to learn fashion designing? Well, here's 7 best fashion designing courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Fashion 101, Design and Styling, Textures, Shaping, and more. By Udemy. This course provides you the chance to learn the fundamentals of fashion designing. Topics covered in this course are the 5 body types, camouflaging and emphasizing, influencing size, mix and matching patterns, styling the face shapes, the mood board, 16 fashion terms to know. You will gain knowledge about the basics of fashion designing. You will learn the fundamentals of fashion design. You will learn to camouflage and emphasize different areas. You will be able to prepare the mood board. You will learn about the various accessories used in fashion design. This course is for everyone who is interested in learning about fashion designing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Fashion Drawing Course from Beginner to Advanced by Udemy. This course provides you step-by-step training to learn fashion design from beginner to advanced level. Topics covered in this course are: before you begin, basic drawing, introduction to shading, shading applications, fabric folds, geometric designs, eye, nose, lip, ear drawings, face drawing, hairstyles, hand and foot drawings, skin tones, fish-inspired skirt design. You will be able to learn fashion design. From the basics, you will learn to draw different sketches and drawings. You will learn to create a mood board. You will learn about various textiles and fabrics. You will be provided the course completion certificate. This course is for anyone desiring to learn fashion designing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Fashion Illustration for People Who Can't Draw by Udemy. This is a complete beginner course for people who don't know how to draw. Topics covered in this course: fashion illustration research, basics of drawing, drawing the figure, drawing the face, experimental collage illustrations, illustration for absolute beginners, creating a portfolio of work, your final illustration. You will gain most of the information about the field of fashion. You will learn to draw and illustrate. You will learn the recent trends of the fashion industry. You will learn to develop your own personal drawing style. You will learn to become creative. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, How to Dress Like a Fashion Icon, New Style, New. By Udemy. This course gives you a chance to boost your own fashion style. Topics covered in this course are: discovering your personal style, choosing the outfits, finding the right colors, styling, to empower your image. You will learn to build your confidence. You will learn to dress like fashion icons and impress others. You will learn to save money and time by shopping smart. You will discover your best authentic style. You will learn to choose the right colors for yourself. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Fabrics for Fashion Design, Essential Learning for Designers by Udemy. This course provides you knowledge about fundamentals, characteristics, and properties of fabrics used in fashion designing. Topics covered in this course are: fiber content, woven versus knit, fabrics with an app, beige goods, properties of fabric, sustainable fabrics, color and printing, layering fabrics. You will learn to choose fabric for specific design. You will gain knowledge about natural and man-made fibers. You will learn about the properties of fabrics. You will learn to choose fabrics according to an eco-friendly environment. You will learn to design using various fabrics. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, Diploma in Fashion Design by Alison, free course. This course traces the evolution of fashion and explains how past trends have affected today's market. Topics covered in this course are: history of fashion design, elements and principles, mood boards, design development, sketching, understanding textile fibers, yarns and fabrics, garment constructing, draping techniques, fabric sourcing, sizing and measurement, the fashion industry, career and opportunities, developing your brand. The best part of this course is that you will receive a course completion certificate. You will be able to recognize fashion trends. You will learn about textile fibers, yarns, and fabrics with their sources. You will be able to identify the influence of past fashion trends. You will learn about elements and principles of fashion design. This course is for anyone who is passionate and wants to develop a career in fashion design. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Seventh course, Fashion Designing Tutorials by YouTube, free course. This course gives you step-by-step instructional video training to learn fashion design. Topics covered in this course are: elements of fashion, principles of fashion, how to use color, body rendering, sketch floral print, pencil shading, illustration stationery. You are provided quality content for free. You will be able to learn various pencil shading and their techniques. You will learn to draw different types of sketches. You will learn the elements and principles of fashion designing. You will learn to use them right color combination. This course is for everyone, especially students who can't afford to pay for the course. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.